the only thing new. I've got these little things. Deputy Boots has got you. He gets my girlfriend.
Yep. We're flying off.
Doesn't even say he's sorry.
No, we're going to Las Vegas. You want to go too? Sure,
we'll pick you.
We'll go to Vegas.
We'll all go to Vegas.
Yeah.
Let's all catch a bus.
Yeah, we're going. Well, we are going to Vegas.
Yes.
We're playing the Bellagio. A little lively song, you know.
Standing on the corner with the low-down blues, big hole in the bottom of his shoes. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. A little 8-bar break. Gives me time to rest.
Easy for you to say.
Now look here, Sal, know about you. Rolled up stocking, worn out shoe. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Now let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. All having a good time.
Here at the Eccles County Fair, Middlesex, New Jersey.
Out on the logwood, sitting on the log, finger and trigger and eye on the hog. And let me be your salty dog. Now let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Another break. Thank goodness.
What do you mean a break? We're still playing.
I pulled the trigger, the gun went cold, shot well over in Mexico. And let me be your salty dog. Now let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog.
Hey, thank you. Have a good evening, folks. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Wow.
We're having a great time. We love these nighttime shows. It's not hot.